How to restore projects from GoPro Cloud. First of all, open the app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your GoPro account with an active GoPro Cloud subscription, as this is required to access cloud backups. Next, tap the cloud icon located at the top right corner of the home screen to open your GoPro Cloud backup section. Here you will see all your backed up projects and videos stored safely in the cloud. Browse through the list and select the project you want to restore to your device. Tap on the Restore or Download button to bring the project back into your GoPro Quik media library for further editing or sharing. Once restored, you can continue editing your project exactly where you left off. This simple process helps you recover your work anytime, keeping your GoPro project safe and accessible no matter what. Now you know how to restore projects from GoPro Cloud. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.